Ready? Exercise number 7 and 8 legal matter start. Learned senior counsel, while referring to the judgment in the case of Sunil Bharti Mittal versus Central Bureau of Investigation and relied on other judgments in support of his case. Learned Senior Counsel Sri Anupam Lal Das, appearing for the appellant in criminal appeal at the rate SLP criminal numbers 10054 10056 of 2018 filed by the sister of the injured, has made the following submissions. Quote next para. Having regard to negligence and violation of conditions of license made against the appellants accused numbers 2 and 4, no case is made out to quash the proceedings. The appellants accused, being the managing director and the general manager of the company, cannot escape their responsibility for their negligence and other in charge persons of the hotel, which resulted in an unfortunate incident in which the brother of the appellant has suffered grievous hurt. There are absolutely no grounds to interfere with the impugned order passed by the High Court. At the same time, the High Court has committed error in issuing directions in cryptic and unreasoned manner. In granting exemption for personal appearance of the accused, the exemption for appearing in person is a matter to be considered under Section 205 and or Section 317 of CRPC by the concerned magistrate. Learned Counsel has placed various decisions of this court wherein scope of section 482 CRPC is considered. Learned Counsel also relied on in support of his case in the case of T.G.N. Kumar versus State of Kerala and others, and also the judgment in the case of Madan Mohan versus State of Rajasthan. We have considered the detailed submissions arguments advanced by the learned counsel on both the sides and also perused order and other materials placed on record. We have perused the impugned order passed by the High Court. The High Court has referred to the contentions in detail and has arrived at the conclusion that it is not a fit case to quash the proceedings. The High Court has mainly relied on the judgment of this court in the case of Sushil Ansal versus State through CBI. Having regard to the order which we propose to pass, we feel it is not desirable to record findings in detail, except to the extent required for the disposal of these appeals, as much as these appeals are filed against the order passed on application for quashing the proceedings. Under Section 482 of CRPC, any findings on various contentious issues will prejudice the case of parties during the trial. Stop. Thank you very much. Exercise number 8. At the outset, it is to be noticed that Miss Asian Hotel under bracket North accused number 1, which is the listed public company, runs Hotel Hyatt Regency, of which accused number 4 is the general manager, and other personnel who are in charge of various departments are also made accused apart from the appellants under bracket accused. So far as accused number 2 is concerned, he is the managing director of Miss Asian Hotels under bracket North Limited, which company is made first accused in the case. The appellant Shiv Kumar Jatia is sought to be prosecuted only on the ground that he is the managing director of Miss Asian Hotels under bracket North Limited, which runs the Hotel Hyatt Regency and is the only non-independent and executive director of the company and chairs the board meeting of the company, and decisions are taken under his signatures. Further, it is pleaded that he authorized Mr. P. R. Subramanian to apply for lodging license of the company. Therefore, he is overall responsible for all omissions and commissions of its officials, violation of lodging license, health trade license, etc. So far as accused number 4 Asim Kapoor is concerned, it is alleged that he is the general manager of the Hyatt Regency. As such, he is overall responsible for looking after the day-to-day affair of the hotel and also is responsible for omissions and commissions of its staff with regard to safety of guests. To prove the alleged offence under section 336, essential elements are the act done rashly and negligently to endanger human life or personal safety. To prove the guilt of the accused under section 338 in addition to the elements under section 336, an additional consequence of grievous hurt is to be proved. It is clear from the material placed on record that the appellant A4 was not in the country on the date of the incident and the license of the hotel is in the name of accused number 3, namely P. R. Subramaniam. The owner of the hotel is Miss Asian Hotels under bracket North bracket Out Limited, which is a public listed company made as accused number 1. Taking on the face value the allegations made against the appellant under bracket accused number 2 in the charge sheet, so far as Shiv Kumar Jatia, he is sought to be prosecuted for the aforesaid offences only on the ground that he is managing director of Miss Asian Hotels under bracket North bracket Out Limited, which runs Hotel Hyatt Regency, and also on the ground that he is the only non-independent and executive director of the company who chairs meeting of the company and signatory for various decisions. Full stop. Thank you very much.